And I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of deactivate account on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about the application of ChatGPT and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.